So, a video from today. Today the guard dog joins us. He's very alert and active, as you can see. We've managed to take the front wing off today. So you recall from the previous videos, this was the worst part of corrosion on the car. You can see there that the rust has just gradually worked its way up the inside of the protective coating. Fiddly job to remove the wing. Amazing condition under here, still the original factory finish. So it looks like this wing's never been off the car in its lifetime. There's traces of, it looks like it's got a wax coating in places, but it hasn't extended to everywhere, so there's a bit of surface rust on the top that will need to be done. Interestingly, was in touch with the company that I thought had restored the car in 2003, and they advised me that they didn't actually do a restoration. It was just cosmetic finishing work that they needed to do because the car was already original and solid. So it looks like it's an original unrestored version of the MGB, which is quite a find really.